Hello, everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. If you never subscribe for this YouTube channel, go subscribe, my darling people, so that you will hear many ogbonge news, when they come out for yeah. Today na about Mercy Johnson, oh. I dey see so many people they say not again, no, not again, no. Another belle again for Mercy Johnson, no. I was like, I don't understand people. I don't understand really because why I want really like chook mouth for this thing, because Mercy Johnson get right if you do want born 100 or you want born 200, you get right to do am, eh? That one not concern anybody for me because the thing they surprise me when people they say not a gay not a gay why Mercy Johnson go one born again the ones when they get never do but that one not really like our business I be my people. It not be our business, eh? If Mercy Johnson like now husband as he dey, if he like he born 100, if he like he born how many when he want born for your husband, that one not concern anybody. If okay, because na superstar now she not gonna get right to do anything again. I don't understand people. They say not again. But Mercy Johnson get right to born 100 or born how many children which she want born now. I don't understand people, sha. People just they say not again for the post where they see for Instagram. They say not again not again it's too early I don't understand. But she be na husband has a day. Okay, if you with your husband they do kele wawa every day. I want to with the expect that be this one, Belle must show one day. You know, if you're not born now will fair complain say, hey, Mercy Johnson they do slay queen, no one born for your husband. Since when they take marry him, he not agree born. I remember when Yvonne Jacket they never born for your husband at that time. And some people they disturb am for message, the right time. They say she dey do slay queen. She not gree one born. She dey go they do die. This time when they go born. Okay, see this Banky W where your wife never still get belle up till now. I dey see many posts where people go they say why this woman never still get belle? They do slay queen. They do this, But see the one where they born now, they complain say it too they born. Now wow for African people, not we will not go here for now mat. Not we will not go here. Not we will not go here. Not we will not go here for not we Musa not go here for gate, Really? Now only una na go complain for something. Only una mouth na no go talk one. Only una mouth. If you not born now, una will say not born. You see they born now, una say it too much. Now what for Africa people? Now what my people? Really? Now what? It concern anybody. If Mercy Johnson one born 5, born 100, it not concern anybody. Now Africa she dey. But not they forget that one, More they forget that one. Now Africa she dey. She gets all the help. She don't get problem. We not be like European with no help. Dey. Only you want you are on your own. Even though you born 100, you dey suffer for as they because nobody to help you. Now Africa she dey. People there around her, where they help her, Some of the reason her body to they compare her. She don't get problem, If she like, she dey allow am maybe with a husband they do kele wawa every day. She get people where they help her for that. She not get problem, So I'm gonna they say not again, not again. She get right to want get belly anytime where she want get because she do kele wawa every day now. So she get right. Me no understand why people would say not again, Mercy Johnson, he wants to go born again, he want get belly again, but talk about concern us. That one not be our business. If she not born now, na months neither for year. She still born now. She dey born now. I say it too much. Make she take am easy. She be now na kpekus na the baby dey pass come out. No be na kpekus o. She get right. That make me shook mouth for this Mercy Johnson also because she get right to do anything she want do, eh? She get big right. She not gonna take permission from una before she will come to get belle for your husband, eh? She not gonna take permission, eh? She get right to get belle anytime when she want get belle. I don't see I don't want to be na problem. Me no understand some people go just dey. Though they take Panadol for another person headache. Me I no understand though. She be your husband don't turn and say he don't tire. Husband never tire. Your husband ready. Even though na 100, maybe they bomb am, they get money. If na poor people they do and then people go they complain say they not get money that they bomb. This one other they okay. So they get right to born how many when they want born. You understand? They get right, eh? So me I not really like. I know why some people go they take Panadol for another person headache. They say not again, not again. So Mrs. Johnson, my darling, you get right, eh? Because you yourself, you don't get problem. You dey Africa. Everybody there around you to help you to carry the baby. Your own to just breastfeed the baby. You know, everybody did there to the carrier. You don't get problem. So if you like, you born 20. Eh? See, any Edo, our sister at that time. Suppose any Edo born for your husband. Maybe therefore in with the man for still dating tomorrow now. She not born for there. Nothing. That years when you just waste with the man, you just waste like that. Man, born, not born for that our Asian brother. Eh? Suppose she see this kind of baby, I believe say she foresee they are alone like this. She not see. So you wait they see. So I bet they born on my sister. They born on Asian people. They like the key well. Just they are alone for our brother. Our brother need them, man. You need that. I make it the do kele wawa. She need them. We need them more, my sister. So now we want carry a dick because of another person. Voila. Now that make me want to do this topic today. That make me do one because I see what somebody writes. Not again. It concern you. Message just say I beg they born. Even though na 100 the one born, my darling, you don't get problem, eh? They born now. As far as your husband support you saying need them, so you don't get anybody where you want to explain to why you they born. You like children, I make you they born. You understand me? So there is people who just like children like that. So she like and I make she they born. So you know another one all really like. You're not supposed to be our business again. You're not supposed to consign us. You understand me, my people? So because then a celebrity, so she not gonna get right now to want come born as many ways she wants. I don't understand people, shall really, eh? I don't really understand. So my darling people, I also make I do this topic until like straight some people brain, some people head with up bend. Make I straight on for them because I don't see how this kind of thing not take consign them. I don't see how this kind of matter not take consign them. Somebody they husband as they born, they say it they born. Me I don't understand though. Somebody they husband as so not be say not be husband as it they say it they born. Like seriously, my people. So my darling people, I beg. More than say help me shook mouth for this one. No, I beg. Another one don't come again. More than help me shook mouth for this one, eh? Because I never see where somebody go to shop Panadol for another person headache. That's why I bring this topic today. More than help me shook mouth put to my darling people. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again, remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And anything what you think about this video. If Message Johnson get me you can't take explain to people why she they get belle, I been more than leave on a comment for the comment section. Or whether she not get right to get belle again for your husband as I been more than leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you. Bye.